Students, last year we have studied about our body parts. Now we are going to in second standard. So study also increase and subject also increase. So we have studied today the body parts but different types. Okay. Unit 1, page number 173. Lesson number My Body. Listen to your teacher read out the rhymes below. It is a familiar one. First listen and then think which action you need to do. Okay. These rhymes we have learned before. Only you can do an action and say with me. Okay. When you are happy and you know it, clap, clap, clap. And when you really want to show it, what you doing? Smile, smile, smile. When you are happy, you tap your legs. And you know it not your head. See, sing on with more action. Clap your hands, shake your bottom, knock your knees, stomp your feet and say ha ha ha. Look at this our body part. Now we have studied about it. When we have performed various action, that time we have moving our different parts of body and organs. Okay. Now we have studied the next. We perform the various action by moving the different parts of organs of our body. Eyes, ears, nose, mouth, arms, hand, legs and feet are there the external organs of the body. The external organs of our body are the parts that we can see and touch. These body parts, see here in picture, we can see and we can feel it. See, head, trunk, neck, limbs, our feet, our legs, our eyes, our ears, our mouth. Yes, na? Yes, good. See, that parts we can see and touch. Okay. The body has three main parts: the head, the trunk and the limbs. See, the head, the trunk and limbs. Limbs here. Okay, here and here, both of attached to here. Okay, these body parts attached to in three parts, main parts. Okay, which one? Head, trunk and limbs. Okay, in our external body part we can see, we can feel and we touch it, but in our inside body part we cannot touch and we cannot see them. Now what is the inside body parts we cannot see and we cannot touch. Now we have studied about this part of bodies. Okay, see, the organs inside our body we cannot see or touch them. These are our internal organs: brain, heart, lungs, stomach, liver, intestine, kidneys, bones and muscles are all the internal organs. They make the body do the various things. They work even when we are asleep.
It means when we have sleep, that time our body working.
Means this all in our internal body parts, they are working always. They working always means if they are not work properly, then we cannot feel better and we getting some problems. Now we have studied the main body parts of our body. Which one is the head? You know head, this is our head. The brain is inside the head. Look like here the brain. Brain is inside the head. The brain is the master of all the organs. It controls all the parts of the body and their functions. It also helps us to learn, think and remember. See, the main part of our body is the head. In the head there is a brain. Brain is the master of all organs. Now see, look at this picture. This is our brain. Just we have studied about thinking how is the brain is the master of our body and how he is working. What is his function? Yes, na? Yes. Now see, if you are want to drawing one picture, okay, that time before you are starting the picture, but our brain is given to information ki what you have need to drawing on the drawing for a picture. What we have need to drawing a picture? The brain telling you then collect the pencil, collect the color, collect the before paper and before all this you think about your pictures. What you have want to draw. Yes, no? Same like that. Another word for example means whenever teacher is not in your class, that time you are making a noise. Yes, no? But when the teacher is coming inside, that your brain given to information, you now see teacher is coming inside. Don't make now noise. Yes, na? You are going and sit up quiet. Yes or not? Yes. That like brain given to information. This is our trunk. Now we have studied about the parts of trunk. Students, in our trunk, how many included the body parts? The trunk includes the chest and abdomen. The neck joins the head to the trunk. The trunk has parts such as the heart, lungs, stomach, liver, intestines and kidneys inside it. These all body parts included in the trunk. Okay. See, now we have studied about the heart. This is the picture of heart. The important internal body parts, the heart. The heart pumps the blood to different parts of body. It is situated in the space inside the chest. Means our heart provide the blood to in our different parts of body. But how many get the space and where is it situated? It is get the situated in a small space inside the chest. See children, this is our heart and inside here this small is there looking na, that is a blood vessels. Means in this blood vessels provide the blood to our full of body parts. Okay. See, this is our lungs. Now we have studied about the lungs. The lungs. The chest also has two lungs within. The lungs are in charge of the breathing. The work of the lungs, the breathing. See, this is our lungs. Now you are thinking, breathe. What is the meaning of breathing? Breathing is the process of including the fresh air through the nose and explaining the unclear air for a nose. Now we have studied about our next internal body parts. The stomach, liver and intestine. The stomach, liver and intestines help to break down the food we eat. These organs are in the space inside the abdomen. Means here, intestines, where is this is the large intestines and this is the small intestines. And second one is a very important thing in our body, liver. These large intestines and these small intestines, their work is help to break down the food we eat. Means this is they are working for our digestive system. When we have eat, that afterward that going inside our body, that working is start to digestive. Who is working? the liver, the large instances and then small instances, they are working inside of our body. Look at this picture. This is our kidney. Now we have studied about the kidney. So our internal body parts is the kidney. A small pair of the bean-shaped organs called kidneys help in the removing waste matter from the blood. These are also present in the space within the abdomen. See, this is a picture of our kidney, and these both of working to clean remove the waste matter for the blood. Circle is the parts of limbs. We have studied about the important internal body part, the limbs. The arms and the legs are together called the limbs. Our arms and legs are together called the limbs. The arms are joined to the shoulder and the legs are joined to the hip. See, where is the arms? The arms and legs. The arms and legs together called limbs. The arms are joined to the shoulder, means here, and legs are joined to our hip, means here. Okay. Look at this picture, bones and muscles. Now we have studied about it. Then next internal body parts, and very important, it's a very important for our body. Which one is bones and our muscles? See, the body is made up of the bones and muscles. You can feel your bones and muscles all over the body. You know, in our body there is a bones and muscles is a very important. Bones give the shape of our body and muscles give the structure of our body. You can feel your bones and muscles all over the body. You may have seen the picture of the skeleton. See here the picture of the skeleton. Okay. The skeleton is the frame of or hard shell of our body. All bones in the body together make the skeleton. The skeleton gives the shape of the body and protects to our internal part. The skeleton gives the shape of our body and protects to our internal part. Our body moves with the help of muscles. Muscles are attached to the bones. All over the movements like the kicking a ball, closing the eyes and the swallowing the food are the possible because of the muscles. See, if we have not inside of our body the muscles, then what we have get, how we have do our work is possible? No, because muscles is very important and muscles help to us to our movement of the body parts. Got it? This is the lesson. Do you understand? Good.